So I just want to show you all of the chaos I have from all of my nail stuff, boxes, products, dust. And it's very messy and unorganized. And I have a lot of cords. Got 2 extension cords. I'm going to consolidate that. But my husband was nice enough to bring me these shelves, or this little, what do we call this?
What?
What are these called?
Huh?
What are they called?
Oh, it's just a rack.
Okay, so yeah, he was nice enough to get me 2 of these shelving racks, and we decided I'm gonna move the nail desk this way, or I should say my recording station, because it's really what it is. And then we're gonna put the 2, why does this look like that, on this wall. I think this is what we finally decided. And yeah, so this is the before, and we'll see what it looks like after. Looks so good. I'm gonna have so much space. Yes. Alright, so this is what I have so far. I'm trying to figure out where I want everything. I still have that mess again. I'm gonna consolidate all of the cords, and I still have this stuff to go through here and whatever's left in these drawers, and then I have some stuff in this corner and then under there too. So I'm just happy that I'm finally organizing and getting things together, you know. Baby, hi. She always has to be by mommy, so she always makes sure that I'm okay. And she's wondering, what are you doing? Why aren't we cuddling in the couch or in the bed? Right, mommy? All right, so I just want to show you this for now. I don't know if I'm gonna do another update. I probably will do another update, but I'm gonna continue to tackle it tomorrow. But anyways, I'm showing you the end result of what it looked like after I was organizing. It's a little bit different right now because I ended up buying a new nail station lamp, but this is just a general idea. So yeah, I wanted to just throw this video together and show you that I'm getting organized, okay? You should be proud of me. I'm getting organized. But you guys, giveaway, I'm going to be looking out for 2 winners to win this Pro Acrylic Kit from Young Nails. So 2 people are going to win. Comment down below, subscribe, and check out the post on Instagram, and like and tag anyone you know. And yes, I'm going to be checking on in both places to see who the winner is. And then I will announce the winner soon. I'll probably make a video, and I'll also post it on, well, I will make a video and I will also post it on Instagram. So good luck. Thank you guys so much for 12K. My hope is just to inspire you to continue to learn and practice and do what you love. And yeah, and it's my birthday month, so I was super stoked about that. And I'm like, okay, let's just celebrate. I want to give back. And yes, all I could say is just thank you. That's it. Simply thank you for being here and showing support. I'll see you guys in the next video.